Hello friends, I'm Lokesh. Today I will teach you ratio and proportion. What is why we use a ratio? We use the ratio to compare two things. First we study ratio, then proportion. Ratio. To compare of same kind, we can use two methods. One is by subtraction and one is division. For example, please wait. Um, A has 12 mango and B has 14 mango. Fourteen mango. Then which has more mango? B has more mangoes. So it is that the B is more than A. So with B has more mango than A. So or another is how many more is there? That is two. We have two more mango. There is another method by division. You may use this method. This is the mango A upon B. Mango of A and upon B equals to 12 upon 14. So it will cut 7, 6. So you can say that the mango in A ratio B is 6:7. So you can say this one. So why we use ratio? We use ratio for comparing two things. The ratio says how much of one thing is compared to another thing. a ratio merely compare the quantities. It is saying that ratio mainly compare the quantities, that how many and how kilogram, and in the second line says the ratio says how much of one thing is compared to another. That how many thing compared to another thing, like 12 ratio 14. So how there 12 mango and there is 14 mango. This way this line is saying. So next line is the ratio of two number A and B. It is saying the ratio of two number A and B not equals to 0 is A upon B written as a ratio. It is here is two numbers. First is A and second is B. And B is not equals to 0. Then it will be A upon B, and it is written as, it can also written as A ratio B. This equals to A upon B. You can also write this or and this is same. So in this, the number A and B is called terms. It's called terms. In ratio A and B called terms. So here A is called, in this A is called first term. A is called first term, or antecedent, and B is called second term, or consequent. The next line says a ratio is usually expressed in its lowest term of simplicity. It is saying that the ratio expresses the lowest term of some things, like 14. There are 14 mangoes and 12 bananas. Then it will written as in ratio 6, 7. The lowest will be 6, 7 ratio 6. So this way it is shown. So I will do first and second example of ratio, and then I do the exercise. Example 1 says What is the ratio of 6 to 60 paisa? What is ratio of rupees 6, or you can say 6 rupees to 60 paisa? So it will be 6 upon 60 110, so equals to 1 ratio 10. So this way you can find the answer. So now example second. In any examples you have doubt, you can ask in the comment box. Example 2. The prestige age of father is 48. The present age of father is 48 years. 48 years. Father's age is 48 years. And that of its son is 16 years. And son equals to 16 years. Then find the ratio between father and son. Between 8 to 4 1 3. It is 3:1. You can say. So in ratio, the next is equivalent ratio. The first line says that if you are driving a car at the same speed of 50 km per hour, 50 ratio 1 or 50 upon, so equivalent. So then in 2 hours you will drive 100 km. If you write the ratio would 100 upon 2 or 100 ratio 2 or 100 upon 2. So in equivalent ratio it is saying that 50 ratio 1 equals to 100 ratio 2. It is true. Yes, it is true because it can cut. So it will be 50 ratio 1, 50 ratio 1. It is equal sign. So this way this is telling the line. The line is telling this. So the next line is saying, oh, so let's know that the ratio 50 ratio 100 ratio 2 150 ratio 3 are called equivalent ratios. It is saying that 50 ratio to 100 ratio to 150 ratio 3, they are all are equals. This will cut 50, 50. So they all are equal, and this is called equivalent ratio. And the next line is saying we can find equivalent ratio by multiplying or dividing the both numerator and denominator of a given ratio. So two ratios are equivalent if the fraction corresponding to the equivalent. This line is saying we can find the equivalent by multiplying, like it is 1 upon 50 multiplied by 2, it will be 2 upon 100, and we divide by 2, 1 upon 50. We can obtain equivalent ratio by this multiplying and dividing the both numerator and denominator. So I am solving the first example. Example number 1. There are 20 girls and 15 boys. What is the ratio of total? So what is the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls? There are 20 girls and 15 boys. 15 boys. Find the ratio between girls and boys. It will be 20 ratio 15, 3, 4. This way you can find the ratio between two. And the second is saying that what is the ratio between girls to the total? What is the ratio between girls to the total? How many total students are there in class? 20 plus 15 equals to 35. Ratio girls, how many girls are there? 20. It will be 4, 7. There is 4 ratio, 7 ratio 4. Answer is 7 ratio 4. This way you can find. This way you can find. So exercise 12.1 you can easily solve because it is easy. So I am solving the question number 8 and 10. They're very easy. You can also solve, but for explanation, I'm solving question number 8. Exercise 12.1 in CBSE book, class 6 CBSE. The 8 question says the ratio of incoming saving of the ratio of saving of the family is 12:4. Find the expenditure if saving is 2,700. The ratio of incoming to the saving. Income to saving. Income as stands for saving is 13:4. If saving is repeat 2700, then find the expenditure. So this will be first we add, no we don't, first we write upon 13 multiply, we have to find expenditure. So first we have to find the total. So 13/4. So it will 13/4. So it will be 8. Please wait. 8 to carry 8, 108 upon 13. So I'm solving again, I was confused. So I'm not writing the question, I explained already. So it will be 4 upon into 13 to 1 3 0 1 6 7 5. So 675 into 13 15 5 7 35 3 5 6 32, so 33. 6 7 5 11 10. So total equals to 10,105. So we subtract, what is the saving? We subtract saving 2,700. So it is 10,105. 11 3 4 9 minus 7. So expenditure equals to 7,405. So let's solve question number 10. Let's solve. There are 35 teachers in a school of 2100. Sorry, there are 35 teachers in a school of 2100 students. Find the ratio of number of teachers to the number of students. So it is very simple. I'm not writing question. We have to find the we have to find the ratio between teachers and students in school. because in class because in class there are many students in class. It is not possible that this many student can teach in one classroom. It is in school. So I'm cutting with 7 because 7 5 ja 35 3 ja 21 it will 3 no 301 so 6 so answer is 1 ratio 60. So this way you can find the ratio. So I will make the uh, video of per person in next video because this video is very long. So I will make in next video. Thank you.